Okay, I wanted to show you what I'm seeing and what needs to be done if you choose to change it. So right now, when you go into your courses and you go into grades, you see like here's the test, it's 80 out of 100. And the second number, the 40 out of 50, is the weighted percentage. So like for all unit tests, they're 50%, they're 50% of the grade. So it gives you a subtotal for each of those weighted items. And then for the labs, it gives you subtotals of the weighted. And over here, this is so far what each lab is worth in that percentage, in that subtotal. And then here's what will be the subtotal of 10% for the final comprehensive. If this is going to be changed, you choose activities and then quizzes. And then you will need to go, I'm sorry, I did that wrong. Back in grades, you're going to have to go to each grade and choose the drop down arrow and choose edit. From there, see how there's the maximum number of points. And for students, you'll have to do override the display, show the points grade, and then the question is, do you want to show the weighted grade or not? Once you do that, you choose save and close. Now students will be able to see that there's 80 out of 100 and also the weighted grade is 40 out of 50. If you don't want them to see the weighted grade at all, when you go into each item, you choose edit and you uncheck the weighted grade and then choose save and close. So it really depends on if you want to go into every single grade in your grade book to do that. I'm going to put this one back to how it was. So edit. It was no points, it was grade. Get rid of the override. Do save and close. So that's what has to be done for every grade in your grade book for each of the classes if you don't want the students to see the weighted grade and you only want them to see the grade out of 100.